Kickstart your energy career today. Join the Fundamentals of E&P Geoscience and Engineering training program by Elvee Energy Training. This prerequisite training closes the gaps for the missing fundamentals in first-degree courses and prepares candidates for professional E&P skills acquisition. Whether you're just starting or switching paths, this program offers you opportunities in the exploration and production career domains across Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and beyond. We offer both physical and virtual training sessions. Our physical trainings are held regularly at our Enugu Training Center and occasionally at other selected locations such as Port Harcourt, Lagos, and Abuja. Virtual trainings are always available and provide flexible access to our programs from anywhere. Optional accommodation and lunch are available for our trainees at the Elvee International Training Center in Enugu. In your first 2 weeks, you'll learn the fundamentals for exploration and appraisal from the following courses: geophysics, stratigraphy, sedimentology, petroleum geology, SEDLOG software, and GeoSoft viewer application. In weeks 3 and 4, the focus shifts to the fundamentals for field development and operations. You'll learn structural geology, field geology, physical geology, survey of world geology, remote sensing and aerogeology, and ArcGIS and SEDLOG software. Next, in weeks 5 and 6, we dive into the fundamentals for formation evaluation and well monitoring. You will be taught these courses: Earth history, geochemistry, biostratigraphy, paleobiology, GeoSoft viewer, and SEDLOG software. In fundamentals for production and reservoir management during weeks 7 and 8, you'll learn the following: hydrogeology, marine geology, engineering geology, tectonophysics, GeoSoft viewer application, GIS software usage, and SEDLOG. In your weeks 9 and 10, you will gain knowledge in the fundamentals for mining and unconventional resources through the following courses: crystallography and mineralogy, economic geology, mineral resources and environmental geology, optical mineralogy, igneous and metamorphic petrology, and ArcGIS and GeoSoft viewer application. And that's not all. We also offer project supports for master's and PhD work, field trips and visit to oil installations, project presentations, and training for recruitment candidates.
Additionally, we offer courses and trainings such as geosciences laboratory analysis, field training, digital technology application in the E&P industry, and software trainings.
Whether you're just starting or looking to specialize, Elvee gives you practical training, flexible options, and career-transforming opportunities. Enroll today, and let's shape the future of energy together.
For further inquiries, WhatsApp +234 908 027 8616. Call +234 703 7628 734. Visit our website at www.iesog.com. Connect with our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you.